Hey guys, Mark here. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super fast and easy way of adding a French hitching wrap onto a handle. You can use this technique to cover the handles of knives, axes, walking sticks, things like that. For my project, I'm going to be covering the handle of this knife. Luckily for me, this blade is detachable. If you have a knife with a regular blade, then you're going to need to wrap up the blade using some cardboard and tape just to prevent any injuries. So this is the handle that we're going to be wrapping. For this purpose, since this is a fairly small handle, I'm going to be using some Paracord. Before we begin wrapping, one small but important note. If you're going to be wrapping over a smooth surface, you're going to want to increase the friction between the surface and the wrap in order to prevent it from slipping off. To do this, I usually use some wax and simply wax the surface. If the surface that you're wrapping is already quite coarse or rough, then you don't need to apply any wax. So here I have the handle that I'm going to wrap. I'm going to take a rubber band and attach it at the top of the handle. Like this. Pick up the cord that you're going to use for the wrap and feed it under the rubber band. Pull a few inches out. You're going to need them later. Then move down to where you would like to start your wrap. So here at the bottom we have our start and the end is going to be here at the top. Take your working end, create a loop and place the loop over the top like this. Then tighten up your first hitch. So like this. The first one requires a bit of effort to tighten up. All the rest are going to be easy. Then simply repeat. Create a loop and pass the loop over the top and tighten up. And again, a loop, pass it over the top and tighten up. Create a loop, pass it over the top and tighten up. So each loop creates one hitch onto the handle. And you can see that a spiral effect is already beginning to form. Continue the same way until you reach the top where you would like to finish up your wrap. So all we're doing is creating loops and passing them over and tightening up. Now the good thing about this wrap is that since you're moving from the bottom up, each further hitch or loop is going to be easier to do. So at this point, I reached the top of my handle. You can see the beautiful spiral effect and that the wrap covers the handle quite nicely. Now, at the top, we have our two ends. To finish them up, take one of the ends, pass it over the other end, then travel under and through the opening. Then tighten up. Take the same end again, which is now on the right side, pass over the other end again, and again travel under and through the opening. Tighten up, and you have tied a reef knot. You can now trim the two ends. Then melt them. So with this, our little wrap is complete. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. A simple, fast and effective wrap done using French hitching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and I do hope to see you next time.